DDS mag-celebrate! Maglitsyon tayo, maglitsyon. Sabi nga dun sa iba, hindi daw simple yung litsyon. O di party-party maglitsyon tayo. Bakit? Si Duterte at si Sara ay imbitado sa inauguration ni Trump. Pero si The Junior at ang First Family, hindi! Celebrate tayo, maglitsyon, maglitsyon! Duterte lang ang kilala ni Trump. Naku po, magagalit na naman ang mga loyalista nito. Sasabihin na naman, mayroong nagsabi sa akin na chismoso daw ako.
So, ito yung nakikita ko madalas, sabi ni Alan Dave. Tinanggal niya ang mga Duterte sa NSC kasi di-imbitado sa inauguration ni President Trump. Kasi si Trump hanga noon kay FPRD. Doon pa naman sana mag-excel si BBM kasi party-party yon. Okay. Well, I can say that yes, one of my sources at the Department of Foreign Affairs has confirmed to us that both VP Inday and the former President Duterte are invited to the inauguration of President Trump. The President Bongbong Marcos is not invited, nor is any of his family. Okay. Now, bakit? Well, some people say that according to protocol, you are a head of state, pero you will be there as part of the audience. So it might not be in keeping with our local protocols that our president must only meet with his counterparts. Hindi pwedeng pababa unless he is receiving them here in the country or there are other arrangements being made.